Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Honor 7S smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD cards in Honor 7S smartphone. First, you need to switch off your phone. Now you have to turn your phone and see the SIM slots in the left side view of your phone. There will be a hole. In this hole you have to use SIM insertion pin. Just push down into the hole. The SIM slot will be coming out. Just take it out and keep your phone aside. Now you have 3 slots, and in the first slot you can put a SIM, and in the second slot you can put another SIM, and in the third slot you can put SD card. See here the demo. In the first slot I have put a SIM, and in the second tray or second slot I have put another SIM. See here the demo. Again I repeat the procedure. And in the third slot you can put a SD card, but I don't have an SD card, so just I have kept it open. And now take your phone and insert the SIM tray into the hole. See here the demo. Just gently push down into the hole and the SIM slot will be inserted. See here the demo. Yes, it is inserted. And now you have to turn on your phone. Just switch on your phone. Now the Honor logo appears. Just wait for a few minutes. Yes, the screen has come up. And unlock your phone using your pattern if you have set. And now go to the notification area. Just drop down the notification bar and you will see the SIM cards are enabled. Just you will see the signals. And in the settings also you can check whether the SIM cards are properly inserted or not. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.